Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain provides rich functionality to manage the entire order lifecycle, from receiving orders, procuring and/or manufacturing goods, managing inventory, to shipping, invoicing your customer, and receiving payments. All your operations are supported by a robust finance capability. Let's start with the financial analysis workspace that we're currently looking at. This workspace provides ad hoc reporting based on Power BI embedded into the Dynamics 365 Finance application. Out of the box, a rich set of reports is already available and configured, such as revenue, trial balance, cash flow, and expenses. You also have revenue and expense insights that gives you information around revenue and expenses by month, category, or region in the world. You can have a trial balance or a balance sheet. And there are many more reports as part of this Power BI report. You can also edit the Power BI report similar to how you would edit the report in Power BI for desktop or Power BI online. This financial analysis workspace is only one of many workspaces that come out of the box. I'm currently logged in as a system administrator, so that means that I can see all the workspaces. However, if I was an accountant, for example, I would only see a subset of the workspaces. Let's go to the General Journal Processing workspace. This workspace gives you the ability to see posted transactions, but also entering new transactions like a new journal. If I click New Journal, I can select the type of journal and then go to lines to enter details about the line I would like to enter. However, if I need to enter a lot of transactions, I can also open the journal in Excel. So I select an Excel template, click OK, and this will now open Microsoft Excel. All interactions in Excel will be subject to the same security as if I would enter the lines directly in the system. I can now see that Excel has identified the journal ID, and now I can start entering lines. Microsoft Excel will identify the type of fields. For example, if I need to enter a date, Excel will show me a calendar to pick a date from. Once I am finished with all my transactions, I can go ahead and publish the data, which then will put the data back into Dynamics 365 for Finance. The next option is vendor collaboration. So imagine I am a supplier for your company and I would like to do business with you, and I would like to collaborate in the same system. It is now possible by logging into your system. This would give me a number of workspaces such as invoicing, vendor bidding, purchase order confirmation, and vendor information. Let's say I would like to confirm a purchase order that you have sent to me. I can do that by going to the purchase order confirmation workspace, select the order and accept, reject, or suggest changes. I can also send you an AP invoice for an order that was previously delivered. So I can go to New, select that purchase order, and enter the AP invoice number. The last feature I would like to talk about are mobile device workspaces. So Finance and Operations provides an application that you can download from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. This will add an icon to your phone called Finance and Operations, which then gives you a number of mobile device workspaces. So we can see asset management, expense management, purchase requisitions, purchase order approval, inventory on hand. However, there are many more workspaces. Let's go and enter an expense journal, for example. As part of this mobile device workspace, I can capture an expense, I can initiate an entire expense report, and I can even approve expense reports from people I am managing. So let's see how capturing a receipt looks like. So imagine I am in the airport and I've just ordered breakfast and the receipt for this. I can now go and take a picture of that. So we click take photo. This would now use the camera capability of my phone, which then allows me to take a picture of the receipt. Then I can say use photo. That brings me back to my mobile device workspace, and I can say, look, this was breakfast. And I click done. This will now upload the picture immediately to Dynamics 365 for Finance. So let's go ahead and see how that looks like in my workspace called Expense Management. I go to Expense Management and I've already initiated an expense report called Trip to Melbourne, and now I can see in receipts that there is a receipt available that I can add, including the picture that I've taken previously. So this is an overview of a few of the interesting capabilities of Dynamics 365 for Finance.